In this video, we're going to look at data types in spreadsheets. To start off with, let's have a look at what it is you need to know about the entire spreadsheet software section. So in this series of videos on spreadsheets, we're going to be looking at all of these things here. So data types, formatting, using formulas, using functions, using other features, adding graphs and charts, and of course, printing. In this video, we're going to focus on data types. Alright, so to check for data types, make sure in your spreadsheet file you are on the data types tab. Okay, it's the very first one. We've got a very basic worksheet here. We've got a number, it's going to be a text, it's going to be a percentage, it's going to be currency. So, in order to change data types, it's really easy. So let's make this one a number first of all. We're going to right click it, go to format cells, and in a moment we should see a box pop up. There we go. Just go straight to number. If you want to add decimal points, you can do. I'm not going to. Make it 0. You can click OK. If you want to as well, you can actually add a comma to show the thousands. I think it's a bit more user friendly. It's not really necessary, but it could be something you could add if you wish to. Okay. This is text. Now, actually, by default, you'll see it's already recognized as text. General is an example of text, but you can actually turn it into text itself. Okay. Percentage. Now notice I've got 0.4 written as my percentage and not 40 to become 40%. That's important. But anyways, format cells again. Go over to percentage. Again, choose how many decimal points you want. I want no decimal points here. Click OK, and there we go. And finally, currency. Right click that again, over to format cells, go to currency. You can see on my device, dollar was chosen first. For the exam, you actually want to be a bit patient and scroll down until you see the pound sign. There we go. We'll keep decimal points in there, click OK, and that's it. Okay, so we've just covered all the data types you need to know for the exam. That means you can tick off the first one from our checklist. And that's everything you need to know about data types in spreadsheet software.